Hello friends, this is Sam with you. In this video, I would like to talk about loops in Swift. We will discuss the for loop, while loop, repeat and exiting loops, skipping loops, and infinite loop. So let's get started. Okay, for loop, actually this type of loop we're using when we have finites and arrays. For example, let's say we have our array array which has colors, and we want to print these colors one by one. So we will apply for loop. Let's say color in array. So I would say print the color is, then we do this string interpolation, color as variable. Let's see what's the output here. Blue, red, black. So what happens actually, for is checking color in the array, then print the color. The color means blue first. Then again we'll take another loop, another cycle, and check the another item in the array, which is red. Again printed red, and so on. Is when we have finite numbers like range, let's say 5. Also we can do let's say print test, for example. You see the output. Yeah, it's again printing test for each one of the finite number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice here it doesn't need to declare a variable or constant, because Swift knows, smart enough to know that this is internal variable is being used. Yeah. Okay, for while, now while is a different one of type of loop. This one we use when we have a condition. Okay, let's say we have a condition, and this condition shall be applied at the beginning of the loop. So we use while. Let's see this, our example, our array of color. We have assigned this variable color index with the 0 default value to indicate which item in the array. So while color index is smaller than 3, 0, 1, 2, actually just be 0, 1, 2, so smaller than 3, print, let's see what we print actually the item itself, which is array. Yeah, then color index exactly is a new color, for example. Then after it's printing, we shall increase the index number. So for the next cycle, it will go to the next item in the array. So color index plus equal 1. Let's try it. Exactly, blue is a new color. Yeah. Okay, repeat loop similar to while, with the exception that the condition shall be at the end of the loop. Okay, some application need to print or to apply some code before judging the condition. In this case, repeat while will be the ideal loop type. So we can do the same for our same example here. We can replace it actually, repeat while. So we take off here the condition and we put it here at the end. Yeah, let's see now. Exactly. Okay, we can put loops inside each others. And in this case, it will call nested loop. Means we have multiple loops inside each others. Let's say we want to create a times table from 1 to 10. Okay, so we will start with this loop first, x for x, and another loop for y, while z is x multiply y. So we'll apply this print command here. Let's say product for x, yeah, multiply by y equal z. Yeah. Now if you apply this, we will see what's happening here. Exactly. See, we have all times tables for all numbers from 1 till 10. Now let's say we don't want all of them and we want to break the loop at after finishing the table of 5. What shall we do? We put condition here. First of all, we have to label the loop, the outer loop, with colon here, outer loop colon. Then we put a condition. Let's say if x equal to 5 and y also equal 10, yeah, means the table of 5 is over. What shall we do? Print enough. And exit. What's the command of exit? Is break. Break what? Break the loop, which is the labeled one we have already assigned here. So if we put break alone, it will break only the internal loop. If we want to stop it at all and get out to here, so we have to mention the labeled one. Let's see what happened. Exactly. So the after finishing the 5th table, it's getting out and printing enough. Skipping loops is the feature in loop from Swift where we can skip a cycle from a loop. It's not ending or stopping or exiting the loop. No, it's just a skip one cycle of that loop. Let's say we have 10 numbers and we want to print only the even number, for example. So we apply this remainder here. Yeah, if the remainder is equal 1, skip means it is an odd number. So how we skip it? We write continue. So the continue will skip the cycle to the next one. Print I. See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So only the even numbers has been printed and the odd numbers has been skipped by using continue. Exactly. Okay, infinite loop. This type of loop will never end. It is commonly used in mobile application for checking status or updating front end. So in our case here we have while true, print true. Actually what happening here is while checking, Swift checking the condition here. If it's true, it will go inside and execute the code here, which is print. By default, the status is true. So that means it is true and it will execute. Again, it is true, print will be executed. So that is infinite loop and nothing stopping this loop. Let's see if we run this code, what would happen. It's true forever. See the number here, let's keep counting. It will never stop. Okay guys, that's all for now. I have also created for you a free quiz that tests your understanding and summarize these concepts. You just need to sign up with your email address and they will be sent to you immediately. I hope the picture is clear. In case of any comment, just drop me a line. I'm always open for discussions and stay tuned. Bye.